talking today was on diabetic retinopathy. So the problem starts from the like awareness ही नहीं हैगी है. So साढ़े कोल patients आंदे हैं with end stage diabetic retinopathy. We like to talk to the patients. We ask them कि जी तुसी पहला क्यों नहीं दिखाया. The first thing which I hear from them is कि डॉक्टर साहब सानू दस्सिया ही नहीं किसी ने. Nobody told us. Now the awareness level should start from the medical doctor itself, from the MD medicine itself, from the physician itself. They should be the people who should tell the patients भी तानू sugar हैगी है, get your eye checkup done. कई बारी तो ये होता है कि we send the patient to the nephrologist, the kidney specialist. क्यों? क्योंकि blood ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਉਹ retina ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ. The next organ most of the time to get involved is the kidney. So the nephrologist then वो भी यही कल पूछते हैं कि जो ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਪਤਾ ਕਿਉਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗਿਆ. So my request to my fellow physicians is that whenever you come across a diabetic patient, you should counsel them कि जी eye checkup कराओ. Because retina ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ blood vessels ਅਗਰ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ leak ਹੋਣ ਲੱਗ ਗਈਆਂ, it's very difficult to stop the leakage. There are treatment options like lasers and anti-VEGF injections, but then again ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਉਹ ਖਲਾਰਾ ਪੈ ਗਿਆ ਤਾਂ ਪੈ ਗਿਆ. So it's always important कि तुसी blood sugar हैगी है, especially the younger age groups, the insulin dependent diabetes, the people who are in the age group of 20 or so. That means you have to fight with the disease for the next maybe 60 years. So जिद्दां जिद्दां साल वधने हैगे हैं उद्दां उद्दां blood sugar दे effects वधने हैगे हैं. So those are the people who need every 6 month an eye checkup. Anytime we come across a patient who has even the early changes of diabetic, मेरा ये protocol हैगा, I start calling them every 3 months. करना कुछ भी नहीं होता, थोड़ा pupil dilate करके थोड़ा retina check करना होता है. Not every visit will require you to pay for investigations. You have to understand that. अगर असी पहली बारी कोई test करांदे हैं, it may sound expensive to you, but it's not that every time you need to go through the same investigations. It's also one of the leading causes of preventable blindness in India. Worldwide now, India is the diabetic capital of the world. अगर आप समझिए इस गल नूं. So थोड़ा जा diabetes नूं लेके I want कि असी ये spread करिए message. Anyone who's a diabetic, your sugars are in control, doesn't make a difference. Your blood sugars are in control, still you are prone to diabetic retinopathy. So get yourself checked up, and I hope that this message spreads pretty well. Thank you.